Keep watching it.
Yes, Mama.
Is it fixed now?
Hello, my name is Elizabeth. We're here to help rebuild. Can you fix this? Yes, we can. Let's start by looking at the roof. With these plans, we can rebuild it stronger than before. Thank you so much. Let's get to work.
Set it there? Like this? Yes, that's perfect. Now secure it. Okay, done. Okay. Good, let's check the next section. The concrete's looking good. Yeah, we'll finish up here and start with the wood. Line it up here. Yep, looks good. Almost done on this side. Looks good. Done with the trim.
Floor's almost clean. Just need this last bit.
Here are your keys, Mrs. Davis. Congratulations.
Oh my goodness!
Mommy, look.
It's beautiful. I love it.
I can't wait to show you your room.
Thank you so much.
Welcome home. It's perfect.
We love it.
Me too. It is a new beginning.